Vanakkam Chennai. I am Vignesh from Sri Electrical Services and authorized dealer for Mecwin Green Propulsion here in Tamil Nadu. This is new Mecwin hub motor and this is mid-drive motor are available right here in Chennai. Mecwin E motors are high torque, smooth performance and long life, and these motors perfect for e-bikes, e-Rickshaws and customs EV builds. Every motor is engined to perform in Indian road and weather condition. Look at this, powered by Mecwin, silent, efficient and reliable, made for Chennai roads and Indian futures. Sri Electrical Services, authorized dealer of Mecwin Green Propulsion. Together we are powering India's EV revolution. We are here to design and develop motors from concept to applications as per the customer requirement. Whether you are a manufacturing EV startup or dealer, if you need customized motor solution, we will build it for you. For any kind of requirement, contact the given number and visit our plant. The future of mobility has arrived in Chennai, powered by Mecwin.